let's quickly solve this problem on the board. Pay close attention. Okay? Now, if you look at this question, then look at this number. This is 9, this is 81, and this is 3. So the first step we need to take to solve this problem is to change all of them to be in the same base. Okay? Convert all the numbers to be in the same base. Like 3 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 1, isn't it? Then 9 is the same thing as 3 times 3, which is what? 3 raised to the power of what? 2. Okay? Now, 81 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Then 27 times 3 is 81. So in index form, this is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of what? 4. Okay? Now, introducing this to replace this number, 3 raised to the power of 2 to replace 9, and 3 raised to the power of 4 to replace 81. Now, let's do that together, okay? Now, we have 3 raised to the power of 2 bracket 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4 bracket x minus 2 divided by 3 raised to the power of x. Okay? Now, take note, understand this principle or rule that says a raised to the power of m bracket n is the same thing as a raised to the power of n, which is m times n, right? Then, another thing we are going to look at here is this divide this. Then, remember this rule also, we are going to apply it at the same time. A raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n is the same thing as a raised to the power of m minus n. Okay? Now, let's input this here. We have 3 raised to the power of 2 bracket 2x plus 1. 2 times 2x is 4x. Okay? Then 2 times 1 is 2. Is equal to 4 times x is 4x. 4x. Then 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Okay? Now, then remember, we use this rule, so this x has to move up to become minus what? X. Okay? Now, since we have this exponent have the same base, this it will cancel out. Okay? So now let's solve for x. Right? This will cancel out and this will cancel out. Okay? Then we are left with solve for x. We are left with 4x, okay, plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 8, okay, minus x. We can now collect our like terms, okay. Let's 4x, then bringing this 4x here become minus 4x because it has invisible plus here, okay? Since it's crossing this sign of equality become minus, then this is crossing also become plus x is equal to minus 8. Then this 2 is crossing this sign here, is going to be minus 2. So 4x minus 4x is 0, right? So we are left with what? X is equal to minus 8 plus minus 2, it becomes minus 10. So our answer is x is equal to minus what? 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Bye.